Explosive revelations have rocked the Madlanga Commission after shocking evidence suggested that President Cyril Ramaphosa may have 3 separate ID numbers registered under his name. These allegations surfaced when businessman Vusumuzi Ket Matlala was accused of sending a confidential file to KwaZulu-Natal Hawks boss, Major General Lesetja Sinona. The document titled Memo Bears Traces of April 2020 was brought up during a testimony by a witness known as Witness X. According to the testimony, Matlala allegedly shared sensitive state information with the works official via WhatsApp, and messages showed Sinona even offering legal advice to Matlala over disputes with SAPS regarding cancelled contracts. Matlala's company, Medicare24, reportedly lost several state tenders after alleged irregularities were discovered. Witnesses claimed that Sinona encouraged Matlala to take legal action against SAPS, sparking serious questions about whether high-ranking officers were colluding with private business interests. The commission confirmed that frequent communication took place between Matlala and Sinona. Screenshots submitted as evidence revealed that the confidential document was sent directly from Matlala's phone in April 2025. The Madlanga Commission, established by President Ramaphosa himself in July 2025, is investigating corruption and misconduct within KwaZulu-Natal law enforcement. However, the latest revelation have added new pressure on the inquiry, with sources confirming that more witnesses are expected to testify this week. Stay tuned for updates as this explosive story continues to unfold. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.